So I want to send Telegram messages from Google Sheets. I enter some details in Google Sheets, and as soon as I enter those details, I want an automated Telegram message on my group should be forwarded. Now, sending these messages manually is a very time consuming part. I want that my Google Sheets and Telegram should be connected, but making this connection with need of coding and programming skills can be difficult. So I have this software for you that is going to automatically create the connections between these two applications without need of any technical, coding and programming skills. Let me first show you how this connection is actually going to work, and then by the end of the video you will learn that how you can create that connection as well. So this is my Google Sheets that I have created. I will enter a teacher's name and a message that I want to send on Telegram over here in this spreadsheet, and then let's check whether automatically on my Telegram group a new message notification has been forwarded or not. Okay, so let me enter the details. So I've entered the details. You can see it's demo teacher. You can see it's class 10 CBSE informative technology, IT, digital documentation, learn advanced document formatting. You can see bring the things to bring is IT notebook, practical file, complete the previous practical assignment. Okay, so this is the message that I've written over here in this Google Sheets. If I will open my Telegram group, you will see a new notification, class notification, teacher, demo teacher has posted this message right here. The same information technology digital documentation message has been forwarded successfully. So as now this message notification has been forwarded, this is how the setup is actually going to work. Enter any kind of messages in your Google Sheets. Automated Telegram message will be forwarded through a bot. So without wasting time, let's dive into this creation where we are going to connect Google Sheets to Telegram without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using the software that is Pabbly Connect. So this is Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, on a new tab search for www.pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page just like this. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks every month. With the help of the 100 free tasks, you can test out the setup that I will teach you in this video right away without paying any cost. And then if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans, because Pabbly Connect is an amazing software using which you can create automations very easily, so you can find our pricing plans right over here in the pricing section. I will suggest you to buy our one-time plans, because our one-time plans give a lot of benefits. With that you will get unlimited tasks on it. So these are the three plans, and you can see existing discounts are going on each of our plans right here. But now if you want additional discounts on top of the existing one, you can use the code that's on the left side of my screen. That will help you to get instant and amazing discounts on the purchase. While check out, use the code. I will suggest you to purchase our Unlimited Plus lifetime plan, because you will receive 20,000 tasks every single month, and these benefits you can see written right here. Okay, so now I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account, so I'm on the dashboard. Now to create a new setup, go towards this create workflow option and go towards the section that is create using quick builder. This AI workflow builder, just by giving a prompt towards it, AI will analyze the request. According to the request, this AI will generate the entire workflow for you. So what do I want? I want to connect my Google Sheets to Telegram. So I'll write my request right here, and I'm going to send this request connect Google Sheets to Telegram, because this is my actual result I want. Okay, so in my Google Sheets, as soon as the new data is added, automatically in my Telegram group a text message should be forwarded. I'll approve, create and open the workflow from here, because this is exactly what I want. If you want to skip the part of creating this entire workflow, you can check out the workflow link I have added in the description section below. This direct workflow is going to be yours. Create the connection like I will teach you right now, and your work will be done. In the trigger, that is Google Sheets new updated spreadsheet row, you will receive a webhook URL using which we are going to create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL from here, log into your Google Sheets. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons. Then you will come to this window. On this window, on the search apps bar section, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. After installing the application, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing the spreadsheet, you will see right over here in extensions the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, from which select the option of initial setup. This dialog box of initial setup is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL. We have to enter the same webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us and we have copied. And for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my trigger column where I will enter my final data is column B, because as soon as I will add in this message, A and B columns data will be forwarded towards this webhook URL. So I will select my trigger column as column B and click on this submit button. It says setup configured successfully. One very important last step is left, that is go back to extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and select the option of send on event. Using this particular event, as soon as you will add in the new data in your Google Sheets is going to instantly at that same point share that data to Pabbly Connect. That is why it is mandatory to click on this send on event. Okay, so now if I'm going to go back to my trigger, click on this recapture button and it will say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will enter the new teacher's name and the message, and let's check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of those same details or not. So I'm going to enter right over here the details. So you can see right over here, this is the teacher's name, that is best teacher. It's class 10 CBSE Social Science Geography. Chapter is resources and development. Learn about different types of resources and their sustainable use. Geography textbook, notebook, map and pencils. Compare the resource classification chart. Okay, so this is the message I've entered that I want to share, and in the trigger you will see the responses also been captured. You can see the name of the teacher is best teacher, and this is the same message, social science geography, resources and development. Exact message has been captured over here in the trigger. As the response is captured, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's send the data where on our Telegram group. For that, we're going to set up the step, that is Telegram bot, send a text message or reply. Go to this connect option, go towards this add new connection section. Next, we have to provide the token. This is going to be the bot that you've created. You have to enter the token of the bot that you have created. So first, I will show you how you can create a bot, how you can get the token, and how you can connect your Telegram bot to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you the entire process. So this is my Telegram group in which I will want the bot to send the messages that I'm entering in my Google Sheets in the name of class 10th group. Okay, so now first of all we have to create a new bot. For creating the bot, over here in the search bar, search for this bot father. Click on the start button. As soon as you will do that, you will receive an entire menu. In the menu, you will receive the option of new bot. Click on that. As soon as you will do that, it says, all right, a new bot. What are you going to call it? I will write over here as class 10th bot. Okay, so I'll write over here this name and send it. As soon as I will do that, it is asking for the username for this bot, for which I'll write over here as class 10th bot underscore bot, and I will write over here as ABCD class 10th bot. Okay, so this is the username I'm giving. You can give the username according to your requirement. As I've done that, you can see the bot is now successfully created. Done. Congratulations, your new bot. Now this is the token that Pabbly Connect is asking for. Simply touch it. It will be copied, pasted down in the field, and click on this save button. Now as soon as you will do that, the Telegram bot is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect successfully. But now we have to do one more important step. Now I want this bot to send the messages in this group that I'm adding in my Google Sheets. So we have to add this bot that we have created right now in this group, but before that we have to activate the bot that we have created. For that, go to this link and click on the start button. As soon as you will do that, the class 10th bot is going to be activated. You can see it's in my chat now. Now as we have this bot right here, let's add this bot in this group that I have created. Currently I have this one member, that is Jesse Matthew, in this group. I'm going to add the bot class 10th bot right here as well. We have to add this bot as an admin in this group. But for adding the bot as an admin in our Telegram group, you have to use your mobile phone in order to do that, because from your computer you cannot create this bot as an admin of this group. So let me do this work and I will add the bot as an admin. Right here you will see it will be updated in this section. So I'm going to complete all the steps. So you can see right over here, I have added this bot as an admin. You can see class 10th bot as admin. So as now this bot is added in this group successfully, now let's make this bot send a message from my Google Sheets. First, we have to add in a chat ID. In which group do I want to send the message? So in the URL of this group that you have created, you will find the chat ID after the hash. Simply copy it from here, paste it down in the field. Next, you have to enter the text message. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. So I want to send a message just like this. First, this should be entered. So I will copy this from here and paste it down in the field. I have to enter the teacher's name first. For the data of this field, I will map the data, add a slash where you want to map the data, search for the data that you want to map. I want to enter this teacher's name. So I will select the data from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. Now, whenever a new response of a new Google Sheets response will be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. That is why we map the data right here and do not enter anything manually, because then the data will become static and we don't want that. Okay, and after this I want to enter the message that I've written. So I will enter the message right here. Then it is asking for all the other fields which I do not want, so I'm going to skip all the details. Parser mode is going to be HTML, and simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, where I've received the status as OK, which is a positive response. And in my group you will see a new notification from class 10th bot. Class notification for best teacher for social science, geography, resource and development is now been forwarded as a message. So as now I've forwarded this message successfully, the connection between Google Sheets and Telegram is now completed. You enter a new message in your Google Sheets, you will see that message is going to appear as a notification in your Telegram group. You can take the use case according to your requirement, whatever you're entering in Google Sheets. Like if it's an important data that you want to share to your team members, you can do that as well. I have taken the example of an online educational platform and I manage the group in Telegram. So I'm sending notifications to my students in that group through my Google Sheets. So that is why I've taken this use case. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. With that, if you are planning to purchase a yearly or one-time plans, you can use the code on the left side of my screen. The code will work for both of the yearly as well as one-time plans. Okay, so this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.